Backgrounds can make or break your pictures, but how do you find a good one when you're outdoors? I'll show you how after the intro. Backgrounds. You've heard me talk about them before and how important they are. The best backgrounds are ones that don't distract you and force your eye to go directly to your subject. Working in a photo studio gives you the ultimate control over lighting and background. Obviously, you don't have nearly as much control when you're outside, so you need to practice looking at things with a critical eye. You can decide where to put your subject, and you can line them up with a background that'll work to your advantage. You just have to know what to look for. The first thing you want to find is an area that's dark in relation to your subject. Our eyes tend to go to the brightest part of an image first, and if you're photographing a person, the brightest part should be their face. Look for a background that's in the shade or even a dark color to help it blend away behind your subject. The second thing to look for is a solid background. Something with a lot of detail might be interesting to photograph by itself and works well in some photos, but if it's too interesting, it's going to pull you away from your subject, which is the most important thing in these particular images. Lastly, if you can pull your subject further away from the background, that'll help it to go out of focus and turn it into a smooth, creamy texture that won't be distracting. Your subject will pop right off the screen. Solid, dark, and far away. If you can get at least one of those, you've got a fighting chance. 2 out of 3 is awesome, and finding a background with all 3 of those elements will guarantee that all eyes are squarely on your subject, which is where you want them to be. Thanks as always for joining me here on the Adorama TV channel. If you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and you'll get a new 2-minute tip from me every Monday at 11 a.m. Eastern. I also teach live photo workshops, so follow me on social media at David Bergman, and hopefully I'll get to meet you sometime soon. See you next week.